Joey here is the Critical Missourian. I talk about everyday life, about Missouri and beyond. Okay, I just want to throw something out here. I haven't really seen. I'm more for the right to repair, camp. I'm in that camp right there. But I'm also got a problem with engineers that don't exactly make things to be repairable. We've got a massive problem with waste in our society, and this is across the world. Well, we make things that just use once and then you get chunked out the door or hauled off to the scrapyard because it's useless. I mean, there was a time that when things were built to actually last, and it's not like that anymore. I really think that we should be coming together and start putting more emphasis and more laws that start making things more reliable. If we all really care about the environment, as some of us say we do, we should put it into this mockery of crap where we use to throw away everything. I mean, look at our cars. I mean, some of them are gotten so crappy anymore. They're probably almost thrown away after they get to a certain time period. There used to be, you'd still see older vehicles that's gotten up to a million miles. You probably can't get anything that gets past 50,000 miles without something breaking on it now with a modern vehicle. And the impact on the environment it's something that's kind of seemed to be an afterthought on corporations' minds, and I'm really just perplexed about this. Not only that, it's like I was saying earlier, we have more of an issue where engineers make something that's so radically complex that not a single person can fix it anymore without taking it to a factory trained repairman, whether it be appliances, cars, whatever have you. It is now getting to where they've designed it intentionally where you cannot fix it yourself. You have to go in for expensive repairs by a factory trained person. This is not really exactly a customer focused thing anymore. It's like I heard one person saying, with car manufacturers, they make the cars so they could extract money from you, and then let the dealerships do extract more money from you for the repairs. So, this is not right. I mean, this is just my opinion, but I think we need to be pushing more laws that put an end to this nonsense. Also, make things more repairable. Fight the companies to prevent the average American from the average user. I'm sorry, this is a worldwide problem, not just one country, but the average person needs to be able to repair their own vehicle. Instead of making things where you can't touch it because the complexities, I mean, and sometimes there's a difference what I'm trying to differentiate here. There's a type of complexity that was designed to keep people out from working on their own stuff, versus indirect complexities that arise because government regulations or whatever have you. I don't know. All I know is that but the consequences are kind of goofy. But still, we are not advocating. I'm just making a point. We need to stop. We need to start advocating more for more things that aren't designed to be unfixable. I mean, to be more fixable. Let me rephrase that. Advocate for more unfixable things to be designed to be more fixable. Start advocating more laws that put pretty heavy quality controls. That way we're not seeing things that only last a month and then breaks. And that's just my opinion in the whole take, in the whole video. But anyhow, this is the Critical Missourian signing out.